Ever needed to transfer money to your GrabPay wallet but couldn't remember your account number? It can be frustrating, right? Don't worry, finding your GrabPay account number is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to locate it on both the Grab app and the Grab website. Knowing your GrabPay account number is crucial for various reasons. You might need it for bank transfers, topping up your wallet with funds from your bank account, receiving money, sharing your account number with others who want to transfer money to you, troubleshooting, when contacting Grab customer support for assistance with your account. So, let's dive in and discover how to find this important information. Finding your GrabPay account number on the app. Open the Grab app, launch the Grab app on your smartphone. Access your GrabPay wallet, tap on the GrabPay icon at the bottom of the screen. Locate My Wallet, you should see an overview of your GrabPay balance. Look for the My Wallet section. Tap on Account Details. Within the My Wallet section, you will usually find an option like Account Details, Account Information, or something similar. Tap on it. View your account number. Your GrabPay account number will be displayed prominently on this screen. Finding your GrabPay account number on the website. Log into your Grab account, visit the official Grab website and log in using your registered credentials. Navigate to your GrabPay wallet. Look for the GrabPay section on the website, usually found under your account profile or dashboard. Access wallet details. Click on Wallet or My Wallet to view your GrabPay account information. Locate your account number. Your GrabPay account number will be displayed within your wallet details. Additional tips. Screenshot for easy access. Take a screenshot of the screen displaying your account number for future reference. Contact Grab support. If you're still having trouble finding your account number, reach out to Grab customer support through the app or website. They can assist you in locating it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, finding your GrabPay account number is a simple process. Follow these steps, and you'll have it in no time.